Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where the Home tab behavior lives. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once done, make sure you glance at the left pane for Appearance and on Startup sections, because the Home tab controls can appear in either place depending on your Chrome version. You do this so changes persist, and so you can test immediately after adjusting the value, rather than guessing where the option hides. Now you change the actual Home tab. In Settings, find Appearance and toggle Show Home button on if it's off, because that gives you a clickable home control. Then click the link or field to type a specific URL, or select New tab for a blank start. Alternatively, use on Startup to set one or several pages to open when Chrome launches. You do this to control startup behavior versus the clickable home icon and to keep consistency across launches. Finish by testing. Restart Chrome and click the Home button or relaunch the browser to verify your chosen page opens. If your setting won't stick, make sure extensions aren't overriding the home or startup behavior, so disable suspect extensions and try again. If problems persist, use Reset Settings to restore defaults, then reapply your Home tab choice. This clears corrupt prefs. You do this to remove conflicting configurations and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.